Morning everybody, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday morning. I'm hungry, it's breakfast time. So we're gonna do some eggs and some grits. But not just any eggs, okay? Look here, I got some Ova Egg Crystal eggs. So we're gonna compare them. I'm gonna scramble up some actual eggs and we're gonna scramble up some Ova Egg and we're gonna see how they rank. Have y'all seen these? All right, so y'all, I just ordered these. I got them off of Amazon, and it's the Ova Egg Crystals. It's supposed to be fresh tasting. It's made with real eggs, easy to use. It does say that they've taken out the glucose to help with stability. So on the back here, it gives us some instructions for one egg. We need 2 tablespoons of the crystals and 3 tablespoons of water. It gives us some instructions. One of the things I like about it is even once we open it and start using it, we don't have to refrigerate it. We just seal it back up and we can use it for our whole camping trip without any refrigeration. And the ingredients is simply whole eggs, egg yolk, dried egg whites. That's it. That's all the ingredients in it. So United States is your country of origin. It's manufactured by, let's see here, Neutron. So there you go. Go away, wind. Let's see, to keep things simple for my measurement, so I'm not splashing over my thing, I'm gonna put a little water in this cup to dip my tablespoons out of. Let's see here. It says to cut along this here dotted line. Because if there's a way to seal it, I don't want to cut past that seal. I don't think there is. I think we need to get past this heat seal on the top of the package. Here we go. There's our egg crystals. And yeah, there's no way to reseal this package, so you're going to want to have a Ziploc or something with you when you go camping. And we're going to do 2 eggs here. So we need 4 tablespoons of the powder. It's 1, 4. 4 tablespoons of the egg crystals. Now we need 6 tablespoons of water. And the other nice thing is it's just cold water. So we don't have to preheat anything. And 6. I think I can kind of tell what they mean by removing the gluten. It doesn't have quite the elasticity of regular scrambled eggs. Now let's get a couple eggs in here. Two eggs. I didn't do a good job with the shell, y'all. Trying to get myself a surprise. Well, here's one benefit to the egg crystals right away. All right, moving right along. All right, kind of see a little bit of difference there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to cook them in this way I can keep my 2 halves separate and see what we've got. Real quick, we're just gonna hit this guy with a little quick cooking spray. All right, for my grits today, I'm gonna utilize an alcohol stove. And let's go ahead and get those guys cooking. I need a cup of water for my grit. Alright, I threw my grits in the pan. I've got this stove on pretty low. That Arctic air they're talking about must be on its way in. This little spatula, I cut it off to go in one of my cook kits. This is a dollar store find. It's a great place to get cooking utensils for camp. If something happens to it, no big deal. There's the real eggs. And here's 2 Ova Easy eggs. I should have done 1 egg apiece. Huh. My Ova Easies seem to be cooking up just a touch faster. I do not recommend cooking them in this pan like this. I'm doing it, but this is not the right pan for the job. Alright, let's see here. I'm gonna pull these. I'm starting to burn up my eggs, and that's not what we want to do. Alright, got a little pepper jack cheese for the grits. Get a little handful of that in. Alright, let's get down here and plate this stuff up. Let's see. Alright, so up top here, these are the regular eggs. And then down on this side are Ova Easy Egg Crystals. So their measurements are probably just a touch smaller than 2 large eggs. Let me hit each one with a little pepper. And a little salt. Alright, again, Ova Easy, regular eggs. Now, can I get a bite before they get ice cold? I'm gonna try the Ova Easy first. Man, y'all, you know what? That's really good. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's exactly the same, but that's totally acceptable. Those are great camp eggs. And we're going to do some recipes with these. I'm going to do some experimenting. We're going to try making some omelets and stuff. So y'all can look forward to that in the future. Because that's a really good option for camp eggs. And I'm sorry about the wind. It's y'all's fault up north there. Y'all are sending us that Arctic air today. I'm going to have to put pants back on. It's supposed to get back down in the 20s tonight. They're talking about rain, and then it's going to freeze. We don't get any fun snow, just frozen rain. Did y'all see that? The Arctic blast just blew my camera off the table and broke it. I can't see the screen anymore. Son of a gun. We might have to do a GoFundMe. Oh, it's a sad day in the life of Bear today on his journey. But I'm gonna figure it out. And look here, we'll see you on the trail.